Welcome everybody. I'm in Venice and it's raining pretty hard at this like sort of church, and I want to look around a little bit, but because it's raining pretty bad, I don't know how long I'm going to stay out, so we'll see. Oops. The camera opened itself up. Wow. Oh, can I go in? I don't think so. Oh, no video, huh? Okay. Let's pull this down for a sec. Wow. So let's call this one a very short episode. I'm gonna go in here and see what this place is all about, but I don't want to break their rules, so I'm not gonna video it. All right. See you next time. Yeah, as you can see, it's really coming down. I'm gonna have to take a water taxi to go to the next location, so I'm curious how choppy the water is gonna be. We shall find out. Bye-bye.